Hi, I'm Chef Belinda and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make your favorite stir fry at home without a wok. The most important thing to know about this process, because it does go very quickly from start to finish, is that you have all of your ingredients prepped before you get ready to put them into the pan. The stir fry I'm making today, I'm using very thinly sliced flat iron steak. I've got some broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, sliced onions, garlic, soy sauce that has cornstarch added to it, some sliced green onions, and some toasted sesame seeds. Right now I have my 12-inch skillet heating up. You want to make sure that the pan is really nice and hot, just like a wok would be before you put the ingredients into it. So I've got it on medium-high, and we're just going to wait for that to get really, really hot, and then we're going to start with our olive oil and then gradually add the rest of our ingredients. So now our skillet is nice and hot, and we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you can eyeball this, okay? And you can see that the skillet is hot because the olive oil has already started to feather out, and you can see the little ripples in it. That's another sign that it's hot. So now we're going to start by adding our meat to the pan. We're going to saute the meat until it's nice and brown. It's going to take about anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, depending on what you're using. If you have beef, it's going to take longer. If you have chicken, not so long. And if you're using shrimp, even less time. Okay, so as you can see, our meat's nice and brown. So what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to move this over to the side. And then I'm going to add our vegetables. Let's add onion, bell peppers, broccoli. Then we're going to let this saute until the vegetables are, I like them crisp tender, but if you like them a little bit more well done, saute them to your preference. Okay, so the vegetables are cooked down a little bit. Now I'm going to add the garlic. I always add the garlic last so it doesn't brown. Stir. Then I'm going to add the soy sauce that has the cornstarch. Now I'll turn the heat down. Add a little bit of sesame seeds. I'm going to save the rest for garnish. And our stir fry is done.